Today, we will be discussing the scouting behavior of the chukar, as well as the 4 levels of analysis for this behavior. Seen here is a lone chukar standing on the rock. The others of the covey are within the bushes and surrounding foliage, foraging for food. This lone chukar is exhibiting the scouting behavior. While the others are foraging, this one is staying alert to warn the covey of any threats. The current call being shown is due to the scout spotting me while observing them. Scouting is the action of scanning the surrounding area and alerting the group when a threat is spotted. Moving on to the 4 levels of analysis, the first one being causation. Seen in the earlier video of the chukar on top of the rock consistently making calls, according to Alan Stokes, this is a ground alarm call used to alert the others in the covey that there is a threat nearby. The second level of analysis is development. The development of this behavior, the scouting behavior, is primarily learned from the adult males. When studying the social behavior and organization of the chukar, Philip Elkin observed that not every covey participated in scouting behavior. Through observations over multiple seasons, it was observed that coveys that had more predation would be more consistent with being alert at all times. The third level of analysis is evolution. The evolution of the scouting behavior of chukars allows for a higher survival rate, especially for the juveniles. This also can tie into the development of the scouting behavior as well. According to Aaron Robinson et al., during a multiple season study of the survival and mortality of the chukar, it was noticed that the survival increased for the seasoned adults. It would seem that the seasoned adults that were there the previous year as well as the most current year had a better threat detection than the newly introduced juveniles. The fourth and final level of analysis is function. The function of the scouting behavior is that groups with the best scouts can detect threats quickly. This gives the group more time to escape, increases the survival rate, and raises the group fitness. Better locomotor performance, as stated by Brandon Jackson et al., could develop to have increased escape performance. Chukars are predisposed at a young age with fast growth and strengthening of the wing muscles to ensure a quick escape. The major concept that was covered in the cogbooks portion of this course would be the selfish herd theory that was proposed by W.D. Hamilton in 1971. The theory suggests that individuals inside of the group have a lower chance of predation than those on the outside. With the scouts being on the outside, they would actually have a higher predation.